Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to copy one table to another table in SQL Server. Now, just to give you an overall idea, this is table X and this is table Y. We will just shift the data from table X to table Y along with the same schema and the data, everything like the same table structure, right? And there are two things, either we can create a new table and shift the data from table X to table Y, or else what you can do, we have already existing table Y with the same structure. You can just shift the data or copy the data from table X to table Y. So these are the two scenarios. And as part of this video tutorial, we are going to discuss three simple approaches. Now let me navigate to SQL Server Management Studio called test, and inside that if I'll expand the table node, I have many tables here, right? Now our requirement is what you can do. We will create a new table name as product UK because this is one of my UK client, and we will copy from this product table. So basically product is our existing table, and we will create a new table called product UK with the same structure and schema like product, and we will copy the data from here to product UK table. Now for that what I will do, I need to write a query, right? So I will write the query here. I will say select star into the new table name. Here it is product UK, right? From existing table, that is product, right? So this is product semicolon. So this is the complete query. You need to execute. What it will do, it will create a new table called product UK. So if you'll see, there is no product UK now we have, right? And it will create a table exactly same as the replica of product table with the similar table structure and schema, and it will copy from the existing record from the product table to product UK. Now let me just execute this. You can able to see one row is affected. Now if I'll go here and if I'll refresh, now there is no product UK now, right? So if I'll refresh the table node, I'll right click and refresh, you can able to see the product UK is created now. So if I will go here and check, select star from product UK, I will just execute this. You can able to see this is one record, right? So if I will check this one only product table, just for your reference, you can able to see this is the same structure with the same data, right? So that means we have successfully created the table, new table called product UK, and we have copied from this product, right? So let me just delete this table just to show you the second approach. I will just delete this. I'll delete it. And now we will move to the second approach. The second approach is we will create, we can use the select star into statement along with certain conditions, right? Let me write the query first. So now coming to the second approach, so using select into statement using certain conditions, right? So what this approach will do, it will just copy the same structure without any data. Okay. Now data will not be copied. It will just create a new table with similar structure. That's it. Now let me navigate to SQL Server Management Studio again. I will show there. So here what you need to do, you need to add a where condition. I will say where 1 equal to 6. I will just execute this. You can able to see 0 rows repeated, but now UK is not there, right? If I will go and refresh this table, so you can able to see this is the product UK. And if I will just search there, select query, I will execute. You can able to see the table is there without the data. So you just add a condition over here along with the same statement, select into statement, right? So this is the second approach when you have a requirement to create a new table similar to your existing table without copying the data. Only you need the same structure. So this is the second approach you can utilize for that. Now let us move to the third approach using insert into statement, right? So in this case, what it will do, it will copy only the data to the new table. Okay, suppose you have a existing table and another new table is already you have already created the table as well similar to the old one, and you just now need to copy only the data, in that case, approach 3 will help you using insert into statement, right? So in our case already, using the second approach, we have created already the empty table product UK, right? There is no data now, as I showed you already, right? So now we will use the approach 3 just to copy the data from the product table to the product UK table using insert into statement. Now let me go to the SQL Server Management Studio again. I will write the query and show it to you. So now what we need to write here as the third approach, select, I'm sorry, you need to write insert into the new table. In our case, it is product UK. Then you need to specify select star from product. So what we are trying to tell here is I have an existing table. You insert into that particular table, you insert the data into that particular table, you get the data from this product table. Okay. Now let me just execute this query so that you will get the clear picture. Okay. Now if you'll just before that, if I'll execute this table, as I showed you before also, there is no data now, right? Only the empty table we created using the second approach, right? Now this statement we will execute and we will see what is going on. And able to see one row is affected now. So the data is copied successfully. And if you'll execute this select star from product UK once more, you're able to see the data is copied now successfully, right? So these are the three simple approaches, guys, to copy data from an existing table to a new table in SQL Server. So that's it for today, guys. You can utilize these three approaches to copy the data from one table to another. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video a little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free SQL Server tips and many more. Thank you so much again and have a nice day. Bye bye.